Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla the Natural, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow my hair out using low to no heat. There is heat, but it's low heat, and I am going to be using my Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. Now I really like this thing because unlike your conventional blow dryer, you don't need any type of comb attachments. You don't need to use like a brush with it. So this is a super quick and easy way that I get my hair blown out nice and safely and fast. If you are not already, girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and while you're over there, go ahead and slide your mouse over and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Sorry, your girl's washing clothes. That is the dryer telling me the clothes are done. Let's hop into this video. Alright you guys, so now that I have my hair sectioned off the way that I want it, I'm going to be starting with my back twist here, and I'm just going to go ahead and unravel that thing. And I have no product on my hair as of right now. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and spray just a little bit of my Allocate Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. So literally guys, like that's literally all I'm going in with. And as you can see, this stuff, like I said, it becomes like a cream. And so I do want to just tell you guys, I'm realizing that because my hair is low porosity, I was using way too much product. Like, girl, so I am adding just a little bit.
You gonna learn today.
Because you guys know how I feel about my products. But I'm just gonna make sure that everything is nice and tangled still. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my black seed oil just a little bit on my scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually line my entire scalp. And shout out to my girl at Sally's. I know she's watching this video. She put me onto this black seed and aloe because I came in there one day with my hair that was blown out for like 2 weeks straight. And I was just like, man, my scalp hurts so bad. And she was like, girl, bend your head down, let me see. And she was like, your scalp is definitely looks like it's been irritated. It's probably just tender because of the blow drying. And so that was literally the last time that I decided that I was going to be using an actual regular blow dryer with the comb attachment. And I have actually had this for like a year now, and I've used it a few times before, but I really didn't realize how beneficial it really was for my hair until I realized the difference between it and when I use my blow dryer with like an attachment. Like, you guys, it's unbelievable the way my hair feels after compared to my brush. So this step isn't probably necessary if you guys feel like you don't have a tender scalp, but from my experience, you guys, it's just better to be safe than sorry. Even though I usually don't have problems with my hair being tender after I use my brush blow dryer, but we're just gonna do it just for the sake of completeness because I don't know what kind of blow dryer you guys have. So just go ahead and massage that into my scalp. All right, and that feels great. So now the next thing to do is to go in with my heat protectant, which is the L. And you guys can tell I've literally used this thing up, but it only takes a little bit of this because this guy is like a cream. So you see that? It is a cream. So I'm just gonna work that in, make sure that I get all my strands coated with it. So now I'm going to just take this section here and I'm going to split it in half. And mainly this is just because I know with the brush, you guys, I am trying to use low heat. And so having less hair in a section is just going to make that process faster. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this up. Clip. Boom. Bang. Bang. So I am on low.
You're so good. You're so good.
and I hope you can see that. And let's see where I'm at. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see? Okay, you guys. See where my hair stops up front here. I had a picture with my hair to the side kind of like this, and that picture was from like a couple months ago. So I just want to see. This is it, y'all. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in my oils that I made up here, and they're a little on the warm side, so I'm just gonna like put it in my scalp. Okay, now I'm gonna take my hands and work it in there. Alright, you guys, and that is it for today. My hair feels really good. My scalp feels so fresh and so clean. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you guys enjoyed this. And let me know how you safely blow out your natural hair. And what's your favorite heat protectant? I don't know. Tell me. Stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how I'm taking this blown out style and turning it into a protective style. So if you have not already done so, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I have some amazing things coming to you guys this year. All right, you guys, stay safe. Love you guys. Mwah.